Hello students and welcome back to my class. In this video, we would begin our 6th chapter and the name of this chapter is Miss Moppet. So students, do you watch the series of Tom and Jerry? If you see, you will know that Tom and Jerry can never be friends. In this story too, we will know that Tom and Jerry are not friends. They always tease one another or they always make fun of one another. So, what making fun is? So, my dear students, do your hands up, hands down, hands up, hands down. Now do it for 100 times. Hands up, hands down. So, do you know what is it? This is what making fun is. Your miss is making fun of you. In this story also the same thing happens. Pussycat makes fun of the mouse and the mouse also makes fun of this pussycat. So now let's begin our story. There is a pussycat. This is a pushy called Miss Moppet. So the name of this pushy is Miss Moppet. She thinks she has heard a mouse. So she thinks she has heard the sound of a mouse. Okay? That is the mouse peeping out from behind the cupboard. That is the mouse who is looking out very quickly, just behind the cupboard. He is behind the cupboard and making fun of Miss Moppet. And cupboard, we use cupboard for storing our useful things. It is an almirah also. And he tells that he is not afraid of a kitten. So Miss Moppet is a kitten. She is not a big cat. She is a baby cat, a kitten. Okay? And the mouse is not afraid of a kitten. He does not have any feeling of fear of a kitten. This is Miss Moppet jumping just too late. She misses the mouse and hits her own head. So, when he tells that he is not afraid of the little kitten, Pussycat Miss Moppet becomes very angry and she jumps upon the mouse. But the mouse runs away very quickly and Miss Moppet hits her own head on the cupboard. Oof, she gets pain in her head. That is why she thinks it is a very hard cupboard. Students, we generally get pain from the hard things, right? Hard things always gives us pain. She thinks it is a very hard cupboard. The mouse watches Miss Moppet from the top of the cupboard and the mouse runs away very quickly and goes up on the cupboard and sits there and again starts making fun of Miss Moppet. The mouse watches Miss Moppet from the top of the cupboard. Miss Moppet ties up her head in a duster and sits before the fire. And now Miss Moppet becomes very angrier. She wants to catch the mouse anyhow. Do you know? Then what does she do? She makes a plan. She ties up her head using a cloth. Duster is a cloth we use for cleaning dust. So she ties up her head in a cloth and sits before the fire. Okay, so it is her plan to catch the mouse. The mouse thinks she is looking very ill. She has tied up tied up her head in a cloth, and she has sat before the fire. So the mouse thinks Pushy Miss Moppet is looking very ill. He comes sliding down the bell pool. Students, in this book you do not have the picture of a bell pool, so I would like to show you the picture of a bell pool and the mouse sitting on it. So the picture is this. So this is a bell pull where the mouse is sitting on. Okay? And bell pull is what? Bell pull is a rope that is pulled to ring a bell. Okay? Now the mouse comes down very slowly to the pushy cat. Miss Moppet looks worse and worse. Miss Moppet behaves as if she is very ill. Okay, she is acting that she is very ill. The mouse comes a little nearer. Look at the picture. The mouse comes a little nearer. This is what Miss Moppet wants. Now she will catch the mouse. Miss Moppet holds her poor head in her paws. Now she is getting ready to catch the mouse. So what does she do? The paws. Animals have their paws to catch. Okay. She has also her paws. She holds her poor head in her paws and looks at the mouse through a hole in the duster. So she makes a hole in the duster also. In the cloth, a hole is there so that after covering the whole head, she can see where the mouse is. So it is her plan. The mouse comes very close because Miss Moppet is looking very ill. So mouse thinks that Pushy cat, this Miss Moppet cannot catch me. She is sick, she is ill. She has no energy also. And then all of a sudden Miss Moppet jumps upon the mouse. And when the little mouse comes very nearer to Miss Moppet looks at him through the hole in the duster and suddenly jumps upon the mouse. And now the mouse is on her paws. And because the mouse has teased Miss Moppet thinks she will tease the mouse, which is not at all nice of Miss Moppet. Earlier, we knew that mouse also teases Miss Moppet from the top of the cupboard, right? When he runs away. So Miss Moppet thinks, now I will make fun of him. I will tease him. Okay, I will disturb him very much. But the way is not at all nice. So what does she do? She ties him up in the duster. Look at the duster. And inside it, who is inside? The mouse is inside. The pushy cat, Miss Moppet, has tied up the mouse in the duster. And now she tosses it about like a ball. She is playing like a ball with the mouse. But she has forgotten about that hole in the duster. Oh my God! Now Pussycat remembers that there is a hole in the duster she herself made. And the mouse runs away. When she unties it, means when she opens the duster to see whether the mouse is inside. There is no mouse. Mouse runs away. Mouse runs away. He has wriggled out and run away. He has twisted and moved once his body from side to side and runs away very quickly. And now he is on the top of the cupboard again and he is dancing in a zig. He is dancing a very lovely dance. So at the last we know that Miss Moppet, Pussycat and the mouse always begin a fighting. They are not friends. Mouse is always making fun of her and Miss Moppet always tries to make fun of him. But who wins? No one wins at the last. Both are equally naughty, isn't it? So this is a very beautiful story for all you kids. So who has written this story? Beatrix Potter. You should learn this name. Who has written the story Miss Moppet? Beatrix Potter has written the story Miss Moppet. Peeping means looking quickly. Afraid means having the feeling of fear. Duster means a cloth used for cleaning dust. Sliding means moving smoothly. Worse means more ill, very ill. Teased means made fun of somebody. Tosses means throws. Wriggled means twisted and moved one's body from side to side. Zig means a quick and lively dance. I have written one extra word meaning that is very useful to you. Bell pull. Bell pull means a rope or handle that is pulled to ring a bell, and I have shown you the picture also. Hope you have enjoyed my class. Thank you. Have a nice day.